Welcome to this tutorial on requesting books from the Library Service Center and beyond. Georgia Tech and Emory University libraries both store portions of their print collections at the Library Service Center, a shared, climate-controlled facility for long-term preservation. Georgia Tech users can request books from the Georgia Tech Library collection stored off campus, Emory University's shared collection, and books from other University System of Georgia libraries using the Georgia Tech Library's online catalog. Let's start by navigating to the library website and searching for a physical book. At the top of the screen, hover over Find, Borrow, Request, and select Library Catalog. The process is similar whether you're requesting a book from Georgia Tech, Emory, another USG school, or another school entirely. Let's search for the book Team of Rivals. By default, you're searching the Georgia Tech catalog. Using the drop-down menu, you can select GT Library and Beyond. That will also search Emory and all the schools in the University System of Georgia. That takes us to the results page. Click on the title. That takes us to this page, where you can see the book's availability and place a request. If you aren't already logged into your account, you can do so by clicking Sign In. Since this book is unavailable at the Georgia Tech Library, we're going to request it from another library. Below the Georgia Tech Library is a list of other libraries that have the book. Click on the name of one of the libraries that shows the book is available. It doesn't matter which, and that takes you to the request page. Click Request. Select Georgia Tech for the pickup institution and click Send Request. If no other library has a copy available, you can still request it from Interlibrary Loan. Let's go back to the page with the locations listed. Below these locations, there's an option to get a physical copy or a chapter from the book. Select Get It from the option you would prefer, scroll down, and then select Send. Please note that the following cannot be requested through Interlibrary Loan: textbooks, NISO standards, Harvard Business Review cases, ebooks, new fiction, and books that have not yet been published. We will email you when your book is available, and you can pick it up from the info desk. When you're finished with the book, you can return it using a library Dropbox. If you need additional assistance, you can call, chat, or visit the info desk.